motorelease.com.
Like and subscribe for more motorcycle update.